Overview of integration. In this video, we'll learn what an integration is, why it's important, how to create one, and the most important settings you should know. Overview of integration. In this section, we will understand what an integration is in SKYVVA and why we create integrations. 1. What is an integration? In SKYVVA, an integration works like a container or folder. IT groups related interfaces and integration components together. This makes interfaces easier to organize, find, and manage. Example: one integration can contain interfaces between Salesforce and SAP. Another integration can contain interfaces between Salesforce and Google. Each integration keeps its related interfaces together and separates them from other projects. Main idea: integration groups related interfaces easier to manage. 2. Why create an integration? Without integrations, interfaces could all appear together and become difficult to organize and maintain. By using an integration, you can organize interfaces by business process or connected system. Keep different projects separate, so interfaces from different projects don't get mixed together. Separate environments, such as production, testing, and training. Simplify maintenance and administration by managing related components in one place. Key takeaway: an integration is the foundation for organizing related SKYVVA components. IT provides a structured way to manage your interfaces and projects. You create the integration first, and then add the related integration components. The diagram summarizes this structure as integration to interfaces, mappings, other components. So, the integration acts as the main container, while interfaces, mappings, and other components work together underneath it to build your SKYVVA integration solution. Let's move on to the demonstration. In this demo, we'll review the main integration settings and processing options. If you want to learn how to create an integration, check out our SKYVVA YouTube video, What is an integration and how to create it? For this demo, the integration is already created, so let's explore its settings. At the top, the _integration is the name of the current integration. This is the SKYVVA integration detail page, where you can view and manage the integration configuration. Integration actions. Here, we have several actions. Integration message processing processes all new messages in the integration. Integration processing runs processing for the integration. Edit edits the integration settings. Delete deletes the integration. Clone creates a copy of the integration. Schedule batch integration schedules batch processing. Restore integration restores the integration from a backup. Backup integration creates a backup of the integration. Transport to other org transfers the integration to another Salesforce org. Custom Links section. The Custom Links section provides quick access to SKYVVA tools and control boards, including Data Loader, Transaction Monitor, Batch/Bulk Control Board, and Agent Control Board. It also provides access to system-specific control boards for SAP, Oracle, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Sage, and other systems. First, click the Edit button to open the configuration settings. 1. Information section. This section contains the main configuration of the integration. Name. The name field identifies the integration in SKYVVA and helps users distinguish it from other integration configurations. In your example, the _integration. Sender. The sender field defines the logical sender name used by outbound interfaces. It helps identify the sending side of an outbound integration. Source. The source field contains source-related information for the integration. Target namespace. Target namespace defines the target namespace used when exporting Salesforce WSDLs, particularly for PI integration scenarios. Connection destination. Connection destination defines the connection used to handle the callback response of an asynchronous callout. Retry time interval. Retry time interval defines the waiting time between retry attempts performed by the agent. Default value is 1. Execution mode defines how integration processing is executed. With sequential processing, interfaces are processed in sequence. Owner. The owner field shows the Salesforce user who owns this integration record. Number of integrate batch concurrent job. Number of integrate batch concurrent job controls how many integrate batch jobs the scheduler is allowed to run concurrently. Integration group. Integration group identifies the integration group to which this integration belongs. Integration group sequence. Legacy field that previously controlled the sequence of integrations within an integration group. It is obsolete in newer versions. Max number of retry. Max number of retry defines the maximum number of retry attempts for message reprocessing and basket attachment reprocessing. Default value is 5. Max number of API retry. Max number of API retry defines how many times the agent retries when a connection is lost. Default value is 5. Processing behavior. Processing behavior determines what the scheduler should do when an interface encounters an error. It can either continue with the next interface or stop processing, like the EO and EOAO behavior. Restart processing strategy. Restart processing strategy determines how interface processing should resume after an error occurs. SKYVVA have two options. Continue from the beginning. Continue from the failed interface. 2. Description section. The description field provides additional information about the purpose or functionality of the integration. For example, synchronizes account and contact data from Salesforce to SAP. It does not control processing. It helps administrators understand what the integration is designed to do. 3. Batch setting section. This section controls how baskets are selected and queried during scheduled batch processing. Batch/bulk processing order. Batch/bulk processing order determines the order in which baskets are processed. The order can be configured as ascending or descending. Query limit for batch processing. Query limit for batch processing defines the maximum number of baskets that are queried when the scheduler starts. The value should be configured carefully because a value that is too high can cause Salesforce CPU limit exceptions. This is an important performance setting. 4. Alerting setup for message processing section. This section determines when SKYVVA creates alerts for message processing failures and how those alerts behave. Non-real-time alert creation. Non-real-time alert creation determines how message processing alerts are created. When enabled, alerts are created asynchronously by a scheduler instead of directly inside the message processing transaction. When disabled, the traditional real-time alert mechanism is used. Switch off message processing alert. Switch off message processing alert disables message processing alert notifications. By default, this option is false, which means message processing alerts remain active. Alert category. Alert category determines whether alerts are created per message or per business object. Message-based alert creates an alert for each failed message, while object-based alert groups related messages and creates one alert for the complete object. Alert mode. Alert mode controls how often users receive notifications for failed messages. One-time alert sends an alert only when the message fails for the first time, while multiple-time alert can generate another alert when reprocessing fails again. 5. Alerting setup for scheduler processing section. This section is different from message processing alerts. Its purpose is to detect when an integration does not run as expected. Alert when the integration does not run. Alert when the integration does not run enables scheduler monitoring. When enabled, SKYVVA can notify users if the integration has not been executed within the configured period. This setting works together with the next two fields. Unit of time for the alert. Unit of time for the alert defines the time unit used to determine how long the integration can remain without running before an alert is generated. Available units include minute, hour, day, week, and month. Alert value. Alert value defines the number used together with a selected time unit. For example, an alert value of 3 with hour selected means SKYVVA can generate an alert when the integration has not run for 3 hours. 6. Alert Channel Configuration Section. Create Task for User. Create Task for User allows SKYVVA to create a Salesforce task for a selected user when a message fails. Chatter Group Name. Chatter Group Name specifies the Salesforce chatter group used for integration error alerts. This allows a team rather than only one person to see the alert. Send Email SFDC User. Send Email SFDC User specifies a Salesforce user who should receive alert emails. SKYVVA uses the email address configured for that Salesforce user. Send Email External Mail. Send Email External Mail allows alert notifications to be sent directly to external email addresses. Multiple recipients can be entered as a comma-separated list. 7. Log and Trace Level Section. Log and Trace Level. Log and Trace Level controls the amount and type of processing information recorded by SKYVVA in the log table and log files. The available levels including Info records general information about normal integration processing. Warning records warning conditions that may need attention. Error records errors that occur during processing. For example, we select Info, Warning, and Error. This means SKYVVA will record informational messages, warnings, and errors during processing. Delete log files. Delete log files enables cleanup of the integration's log files according to the configured retention settings. Log levels to delete. Log levels to delete determines which log levels are included in automatic log cleanup. Administrators can select Info, Warning, Error, or a combination of these levels. Delete logs. Delete logs enables automatic log cleanup for this integration. When selected, the maintenance scheduler performs the log deletion according to the configured settings. Number of days to keep logs and log files. Number of days to keep logs and log files defines the retention period for logs and log files. For example, a value of 30 keeps them for 30 days. If the field is left blank, they can be deleted immediately. 8. Message Setup Section. Automatic reprocessing. Automatic reprocessing enables the message reprocess scheduler to automatically reprocess applicable messages for this integration. This is mainly used when a message has failed and needs to be processed again. Checked. SKYVVA allows the message reprocess scheduler to automatically reprocess applicable messages for this integration. Unchecked. Automatic reprocessing by that scheduler is disabled for this integration. Delete messages. Delete messages enables automatic message cleanup. By default, completed messages are deleted, while additional message statuses can also be selected for deletion. Additional message statuses to delete. Additional message statuses to delete lets you select other message statuses, such as new, canceled, or failed, that should also be included in message cleanup. Number of days to keep messages. Number of days to keep messages defines how long messages are retained before deletion. If the value is left blank, the messages can be deleted immediately. Delete basket histories. Delete basket histories enables the maintenance scheduler to automatically clean up basket history records for this integration. Number of days to keep basket histories. Number of days to keep basket histories defines the retention period for basket history records. If the value is blank, they can be deleted immediately. 9. Agent section. Transfer package size. Transfer package size defines how many records the agent sends in one package or API call. By default, transfer package size is 20. Agent last run date. Agent last run date shows when the agent last executed. This value is automatically updated by the agent. The agent last run date is divided into two displayed values. Date, the calendar date of the last agent execution. Time, the exact time of that execution. Together they represent last agent execution equals date plus time. For example, August 13th, 2026 plus 10:30 a.m. means the agent last ran on August 13th at 10:30 a.m. Agent next run date. Agent next run date shows when the agent is scheduled to run next. The agent runtime automatically maintains this value. Like last run date, the next run date contains date, the expected next execution date. Time, the expected next execution time. These values are important for the agent monitoring/alert logic. Agent alert interval in minutes. Agent alert interval defines, in minutes, how long SKYVVA waits before considering that the agent may not be running as expected and triggering an alert. Created by. Created by shows the user who created the integration and the creation date and time. Last modified by. Last modified by shows the user who most recently changed the integration and when the change was made. After updating the integration settings, click Save to save and apply your changes. Summary. In this video, we'll explore the main integration fields and processing settings in SKYVVA. You'll learn how these settings control integration processing, error handling, retries, scheduling, notifications, logging, message cleanup, and agent execution. Here's a quick overview. Integration action defines what the integration does when it runs. Processing behavior controls how records are read, transformed, and processed. Batch settings define the batch size and scheduling for integration runs. Alerts notify the right people when attention is needed. Logging tracks integration activity and manages log retention. Message cleanup helps clean up and reprocess failed or stuck messages. Agent configuration controls how the SKYVVA agent executes integrations. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the key integration level settings and how they help ensure reliable and efficient integration processing in SKYVVA. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.